Need to share documents, images, or PDFs in your Dola AI chats? Yeah. Attaching files is super easy once you know how. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to attach files in Dola AI. First, open Dola AI and go to the conversation where you want to attach a file. Make sure it's the right chat before adding your file. Look for the attachment icon. Usually it's a paperclip symbol near the text input area. On mobile, it might appear as a plus button next to the message box. Click or tap the attachment icon and choose the file you want to send. Dola AI supports images, documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, and more. Make sure the file is within the allowed size limit. You can type a short message to go with the file, like a note or description. This helps the recipient understand what the file is for. Once you've selected the file and added a message, press Send. The file will upload and appear in the chat instantly. Check that your file is visible in the chat and accessible to the recipient. You can tap or click it to make sure it opens properly. If the file doesn't upload, try refreshing the app, checking your internet connection, or compressing large files. Make sure the file format is supported by Dola AI. And that's it. Open your chat, click the attachment icon, select your file, optionally add a message, and send. Sharing files in Dola AI is that simple and keeps your collaboration smooth and organized.